is my 2005 Subaru Impreza WRX, and it has 200,000 miles. Of course, I haven't owned this car long enough to have driven that many miles, yet it feels like I've made all 200,000 miles worth of those memories. Ever since I was a kid, I've loved the WRX. I remember playing racing games and always picking it, no matter the generation. Something about this generation appealed to me. Maybe it was the sound or the massive hood screen. Either way, I've loved the Impreza my entire life. I grew up around the WRX as my uncle had one and always drove it when he visited me. And then one day when I was 15 years old, he handed me the keys and said, "Congratulations, this is your first car." Alright y'all, Subaru's all clean. We just have one more thing to do, and that's restore the headlights. And these headlights are complete trash. This is probably the second time that I've done this. So I guess hopefully second time is the charm. Yeah, so let's get to it.
I've been moving real slow, let the night breathe. Whiskey in my tongue, yeah, let me talk sweet. I don't taste much honey cause it got deep.
Alright y'all, they're oxidized. I just wiped them off and everything, dried them with water, so this is the fun part. We're gonna put some sandpaper, 2000 grit, and then just go crazy wiping the headlights, and then we'll put the clear coat kind of thing on it, and then hopefully it stays clean. I don't want to do this again, otherwise I'm gonna have to get another set of headlights. So
that's right. Me and you together, baby, there ain't nothing better. Me and you together, baby, there ain't nothing.
I've owned this car since I was 15 years old, and since then I've learned, driven it to high school and college every single day. Along the way, I've made amazing friends and a lifetime worth of cherishable memories with this car. But most importantly, owning this car has taught me how to express my creativity. You could say this car led me into the world of film, in which I found happiness in being able to put my own spin on things. I've gone on record saying that life isn't about the possessions that you have, but rather how you obtain them. And for me, if it weren't for those racing games, my uncle's influence, and the desire to have one, I would have never been able to love cars the way that I do. As crazy as it may seem, this car was the fuel, no pun intended, that ignited a spark for change in my life. It is as though the car grew up with me, having gone through different phases and different looks, changing as I have. So to my 200,000 mile Subaru Impreza, thanks for the amazing journey.